Hi guys, this is Kaycee Lai, CEO and founder of Promethium, and today we're going to keep talking about the three main challenges and big problems when it comes to BI. As we talked about in one of our previous videos, one of the big challenges that people have is that they've got different BI tools, right? Like Tableau, Looker, but unfortunately they also have a lot of different data sources. And the reality is not every BI tool is hooked up and connected to every single data source. And so that means sometimes if I'm a user, I'm really used to Tableau or I only have access to Tableau, but I want to say query against Snowflake, I might be out of luck because only the BI tool Looker is connected to Snowflake, and vice versa. If I actually am a user and I want to get access to Oracle, but I only have access to Looker, well, tough luck. Only Looker, only Tableau can actually access Oracle. And so this is one of the challenges that people deal with. We call this the BI data paradox. And so we're going to talk about Promethium's unique virtualized data connection layer that serves as a virtual gateway that allows any BI tool to instantly connect to every data source that Promethium connects to. So if you're a BI tool like Tableau, Looker, Power BI, etc., you don't need to set up and manage and monitor all these different connections. You just need to manage one. That is Promethium. So let's take a look at here. We have in Looker. So Looker here, when you connect it to Promethium, check it out. You've got all these assets. These are published views from Promethium that we've exposed to Looker. And then same thing here. If you go into Tableau, you have the exact same thing now. So just so that I'm gonna, make this bigger, but you can see these are pretty much the same published views, right? 3 layers BI migration, Doug Himanshu, 3 hours BI migration, Doug Himanshu, inpatient, Kaycee data map. So now what you actually have here is both BI tools are connected to Promethium, and because they're connected to Promethium, they are now seeing the same thing. So check, that's one. But maybe that's not so special, right? What's special and what's cool is because Promethium is actually connected to all these data sources, you only need to connect to Promethium to have access to all these data sources. So let's check this out. Instead of picking Promethium as a schema, right? Instead of the catalog being Promethium, why don't I go to Oracle? Because that's really what I want to know. And maybe it's this customer demo schema that I want here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to also do it in the Looker one as well. So I can just come in here. It's a little bit different. But basically I just select this one. And so here, once I do, right, here are the tables that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There are 21 tables from this schema, customer demo and Oracle, that Looker now has available for them to start developing and building the Looker Explorer views. And if you go back into Promethium here, and I go and filter for Oracle, and I pick that specific schema, aha, 21. Look at that. And so let's go back to Tableau. Right, we're done here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Look at that. All right. So instantly you can actually get whatever Promethium is connected to. And even though Tableau is not exactly connected to Looker by connecting to Promethium, right? It can access this just like as if it is connected to Oracle, right? So look at that. Same thing also with Looker here as well. So I would just have to, and I'll pick one of these tables here. All right. Go ahead and run this. And it's the same thing here. I can come in here, right? And I could also visualize it here as well. So this allows you to kind of very easily kind of standardize and virtualize the connection layer, so that way you no longer have the data BI paradox, right? Because now all the BI tools you have are actually directly connected via Promethium to all the different data sources you guys have. And so this greatly helps reduce a conflict in terms of being able to get different answers, but also improves productivity, because now, regardless of the BI tool you're using, you can leverage the data that you have, and you don't have to force your users to change their habits and learn a different BI tool. So hopefully you guys can see how the virtualization that Promethium provides at the data connectivity layer is something that can really help eliminate the BI data paradox. Thanks a lot, guys, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.